Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This person got a little too close to the blowhole of a whale.
I cannot.
The snowboarders triggered an avalanche and this rabbit was about to get buried. The rabbit was so fast that it ran over the top of the avalanche and escaped. This thing is the very definition of an all-terrain vehicle. The scientists want to observe the aerodynamics of birds by having them fly through soup bubbles. There is a strange science experiment called the feral serpent that can make it look like you spawned something from another world. A wakeboarder found a perfectly flat leg to ride on. This drone got a little too close to this crocodile. This is how dangerous the coronavirus is compared to other more notable recent outbreaks.
Say.
That's the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something new. I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.